in this program, I have added this slash n because in Python, we use a slash n for next line. In HTML, we use the BR tag for the line break, go to the next line. And P tag with the extra line and move into the next line. Slash n gave because if you get a question by mixing Python and HTML, you should know if you use the left hand slash n, it will display in the coding. If we use right hand slash and the n, then it is not going to display. Okay, so you better write both and start the practice. When you run that practical, you will get the output like this. Just have a look. First break, then line 1, line 2, line 3, then break is working because we have already used the break, and break other side slash is not working, and here extra line is there. Then this break is working, then slash in left hand slash in is not working. Again paragraph tag, then here this one work, but the slash in is not going to display. Okay. Then that was practical number 8. Ne? We'll check the 9th one. Practical 9, we are going to consider about the bold, italic, underline. Can you remember this? Be bold, bold text, then italic I, then underline. So when we check the coding, you will get this coding. Paragraph tag also I have already used. Okay, then we are going to use bold, italic, and underline. Just write that in bold, italic. Bold means B tag, comma, italic, I tag, underline, Q tag. Okay. So then this is a practical number 9. You should save it as 9.html. Then your output will come with the bold, italic, and underline. Okay. This is the output. First one you get the bold because we have already used a B tag. Since we have used the B tag, we get the bold. Then italic mean and we have used the I tag. This bold tag has given the bold text. And there is a break. As a result of break, you got the line break. Huh? Then I tag, italic, then underline U tag. Okay. So everywhere you have the break tag, therefore you jumped into the next line. Since there is a break and here also break, so we got it as a with the enter. Here enter and here enter. That means we are jumping to the next line. Okay, so to try this one and do the practical. So practical 9 based on bold, italic, underline. So since you have the bold tag, that means B tag, you will get the bold letters, text become bold. Then when you have I tag, that means italic, start and close tag, you will get the font in uh, italic. Then when you use the U tag, the output become underline. So each and everything there is a break, line break. So since there is a line break, it will jump into the next line. Okay, no extra line, but not we are not going to use a single line. It will break into one next line without any line space. Okay. So if you remove the BR tag, what will be the output for this one? Just imagine without BR tag, if you give everything in single line. Okay. Just keep in mind. So that kind of question can be there for your exam. If you remove the BR, what is the output? Everything is in the single line. And that's important thing you should know. HTMLs are not case sensitive. That means you can start HTML tag in capital. You can end it with the simple, no matter, it will work. Okay. So just write somewhere HTML is not case sensitive. That means you can change the capital simple. You can use capital I, capital B, capital U, whatever, it will work. Okay. Next one. Now we are in the ninth one, then 10th. Superscript and subscripts we are going to use. This is the H10. Before that, I'll take the superscript. This is little bit hard. Just look at this one first. Can you remember photosynthesis equation? 6CO2 plus H, 6H2O, arrow, C6H12O, and 6O2. Now the date, you can write today date if you want. Now yes, 6th January 2022. How are you going to use this one? Just see. Just imagine you are using normal font. Then how are you going to use it? If you are using normal font, how are you going to represent this one? Normal word, how are you going to use? 2 should be down. What is that? How to represent 2 down? H2O. Subscript or superscript? Subscript. So we can take the H2 down using subscript. Then TH up, superscript. Okay. So now you can understand here I have used the subscript here. පහලට ගිහිලා තියෙන්නේ subscript නිසා. අකුරු පහලින් දීලා තියෙන්නේ subscript. කොහොමද subscript හෙව්වේ අපි normal විදිහට කියනවා? home එකේ ගිහිල්ලා font එකට ගිහිල්ලා ඒකට මම මොනවා හරි select කරන්න. හරි මම මේ ටික ගන්නම්කෝ. මේ topic එකේ I'm going to take PIC. හරි pick. I'm going to take it down. Just look at subscript and font වලට ගියා. Click on the subscript. එතකොට pick කියන එක පල්ලෙහාට ගියා. හරි. Then to මට මේ TH එක උඩට ගන්න ඕනේ නෑ. මම මේ ටික ගන්නම්. REE මම උඩට ගන්න ඕනේ. V කියලා. එහෙමනම් superscript. මෙතන ගියා superscript ටික් කරා. RE උඩට ආවා. ඒ වගේ like same as if I wanted to take the TH upward and O22 downward, then I have to use that same technique in HTML. This is practical 10. Okay, now look at the coding. Okay, we have the HTML starting tag, then closing tag, and I make this. Right. Now look at what is happening there. I have the sub to take the font down. Here also sub. Since sub is working there, the font came down. And here also subscript for 2 and here also subscript. Okay. Then super SUP 6 I'm going to take, I'll take it upward. This is with the line break, it is more the next one. Super SUP, take it upward. Okay. Therefore, TH came up and OK down. Shall we try this? And I have used the BR. Because of that, I can move into the next line without line break. I have given some, no need the extra line there. Alt. Okay, shall we start it? It's better if you can write the output and start the work, then it's clear for you. Here you have the 2022. Okay, start it now. Online students, is this clear? Do you have any issues? Terunade? Here you have to write the heading, superscript and subscript, not the agenda. Superscript and subscript. And then super mean SUB. SUB subscript. Then superscript SUP. Okay, write the heading, superscript and subscript. Don't write the agenda. Okay, start it. When you're doing the coding, remove this one. That is a small mistake. Code without that one. Okay, now correct. Copy. Then run this one.